Then, you know, I had like a quarter life crisis. I was like 25, 26 and just had like really bad panic attacks and anxiety. And I'm laughing now, but like it was pretty serious. And then that got me into, okay, what's going on in my mind? I need to really figure this out. Thank God at the same time I was getting into yoga, and it really taught me to be present, to be able to control my mind and be present. Because when you're present and you're moving your body, there's absolutely no way you can be anxious and have those kinds of feelings. So that's what keeps me moving every day.
Wow, that's awesome.
Long story short.
So much to unpack right there. Yeah, I mean, it just shows the power of the mind in LivingFit. You know, we think of LivingFit as like just moving your body and being able to bend yourself and contort yourself in a bunch of different positions. But if you don't have things sound up there, all the movement in the world isn't going to matter.
Yeah, that's true.
So how did you see the yoga help, or how did you see the dancing help your yoga? How did you feel like that?
Oh my gosh.
You kind of did it backwards. I feel like a lot of people start with yoga and then they're like, oh, I'm going to go dance.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so I think, I learned, I think number one, disciplined. I was, when I was in ballet training, it was like 3 hours every day. So it's just that discipline, just being really in tune with my body, just really learning how to control. I mean, ballet is the most, it's so strong and graceful and soft, but it's like you're learning how to like lift your leg up and hold it in this position and slowly bring it down. So it's like I learned ultimate control of like how to activate all these like little muscles inside of me. And I think like I'm able to deliver that or like articulate that to my students. I think that's like one of the biggest things they always say is like, you always help me really like find the muscles in my body that I didn't know I had, or you told me like how to control it. So I think that definitely helps with yoga, because sometimes we're just trying to get to a pose in yoga. And I think people really forget the transition. It's like the little in between like going from downward dog to plank pose. Like what should that feel like? It's not just like here to here. Like dance is actually all about the transition of like how you can make it look really beautiful from one pose to like what is everything that it takes to go from like down, I'm trying to do like down dog to, plank.
That's just a universal sign language for down dog.
Yeah, right? Like this to plank.